Namaste. Today I am here for doing another video, for making another video. This is from class 10 syllabus, CBSE syllabus. So in the earlier video, I have uploaded so many problems, so many discussion for the chapter quadratic equation. If you miss the video, you can see again. Okay, so today I will start a new video, that is new chapter for the class 10, that is trigonometry. So in class 10 syllabus, here introduction to trigonometry is there. So what is trigonometry? Let's see. Trigonometry, the word trigonometry, okay, trigonometry. From this up to here, if you break this part, trigono means that is triangle, okay, trigono means triangle, and metry means measure, okay, trigonometry means triangle and its measure, okay. If you divide these two parts, first part will be triangle and this part will be measure. Finally, we get what is the definition of a trigonometry. Then the definition of a trigonometry is what? It is the relationship between sides, lengths and angles of a triangle. It is the relationship between what? Sides of a triangles, sides, lengths of a triangle and angles of a triangles. Okay. Basically, in trigonometry, we will deal with the only right angle triangle. Okay, so for trigonometry chapter, we only deal with one? Only right angle triangle. So let us consider a right angle triangle like this ABC. If ABC is right angle, then this is, suppose this is 90 degree. Okay, so here three angle is there, A, B, C, and three sides is there, A, B, B, C, and C. Okay, so for finding the trigonometric trigonometric ratios, we have to know the this right angle triangle. Okay, in there are 6 trigonometric ratios. First one is sin theta, sin. Second one is cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, let's see how these trigonometry ratios are related with our right angle triangle. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle. So okay, I also. So we consider a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Suppose A, B, C. Here it is 90 degree. So you have to find trigonometric ratio according to this angle. So if you take this is suppose theta. This angle is suppose theta. Okay. Now you have to find trigonometric ratio of this angle. Okay. When you consider this theta, adjacent side theta, the nearest side, that is the adjacent side of theta, this side is known as base. Always you remember this is known as base. What? Adjacent side of theta is known as what? Base. And this is what? Perpendicular. You can say this is the adjacent side, this is opposite side of this angle. Okay, and this is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, this is what? Hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, this is what? Hypotenuse. So in a right angle triangle, when you take theta, here A is theta, and this is base, and this is perpendicular, this is one hypotenuse. So base perpendicular is H. Okay. We have to find this trigonometric ratio in this angle. Okay. You always remember when theta adjacent side of theta is always base. You have to remember this part. So in a trigonometric ratio, adjacent side is what? That is the base. Okay. So what are the trigonometric ratios? So trigonometric ratio. Okay. Trigonometric ratio. So trigonometric ratios are what? We know this is the relationship between angle and sides length and what? Angle of the triangle. So first trigonometric ratio is sine theta. So according to this theta, so you have to remember sine theta is always perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is the what? Sine theta. Okay, that is BC by AC. And next one is cos theta. Cos theta is what? This is base by hypotenuse. So here base is AB and this is one hypotenuse is AC. Last one is tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base, that is BC by AC. Okay. Another thing, if you know sin theta and cos theta, you can directly find tan theta. If you divide this sin theta by cos theta, you will get tan theta. That is P by A divided by B by S. H is cancelled, then you will get P by B. Means if you remember this three trigonometric ratio, then definitely you will find the other trigonometric ratio. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Next 4 number. Opposite of sine theta, that is you will get cosec theta, that is COSEC, cosec theta, that is the opposite of sine theta. H by B means hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is AC by BC. And 5 number, that is cos theta, opposite of cos theta, that is sec theta. You will get hypotenuse by base. This is hypotenuse, opposite of this cos theta. So here you will get one AC by AB. And 6 number, that is cot theta, opposite of tan theta. That is opposite of tan theta is P by B by B. B by P, that is what? A B by BC. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratio. Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, tan theta is perpendicular by base. If you remember this 3 ratio, then definitely you will find the other ratio. Sin theta opposite of cos theta, or cos theta opposite of sin theta. So cos theta opposite sec theta opposite cos theta, tan theta opposite cot theta, cos theta opposite tan theta. Actually, all trigonometric ratios are are based on only its angle and its side, measure of its side. So this is the trigonometric ratio. There are 6 ratio. Okay. So you always remember where the theta is located. If suppose for another case, okay, this is the trigonometric. Okay, if you consider suppose triangle, okay, this is again you take another triangle. Suppose this is ABC. Here it is 90 degree. Okay, you have to find this theta. This is theta. So if this is theta, what is your base? You always remember the adjacent side of theta is known as base. Then your base will be here. Base. So you will get base is what? B. And here this is perpendicular. Okay, this is you will get P, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, you always remember where theta located. If adjacent side of theta, you always remember this is base. If you remember this, then you will get the ratio. Okay, and you always remember this what, for finding sine, that is one short form S B H. For cos theta, you will find what, C B S, and another is what, tan theta, you remember always T P B. Okay, sin theta is what, sorry, this is not base, P, and here you will get what, B, and here you will get P by B. Okay, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and what, tan theta is P by what, B. Okay, okay, now I continue with the other tricks. Okay, for remembering this trigonometric ratio. Okay, so another triangle I consider here, suppose same triangle. This is a triangle. You have to find this theta A, B. This is 90 degree, and this is what, C. Okay. So this is adjacent side. Okay, adjacent. Okay, this is what, adjacent side. Okay, this is adjacent side, and this is opposite side. Opposite sides or perpendicular, and here it is suppose base, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Okay, so what shortcut method, that is for sine S O H, so then C what, A H, so ka, and what, T P, okay, T O, toa, what, so ka, toa. So in this way you can remember for all the trigonometric ratio. Sine is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Ka means cos equal to what, adjacent side, that is base by hypotenuse. T tan. O means opposite side divided by what, base, that is adjacent side. Remember? Okay, clear? Thank you. So in the next class we will come with a different topic for this chapter. In this exercise only these 6 trigonometric ratios deal. Okay, so next I will take one example for finding some, for easy to solve this trigonometric ratios. Okay. Okay, I take an example from the exercise 8.1. In a triangle ABC, it is right angular B. AB is given 24, BC is given 7 cm. You have to determine sine A and cos A, and sine C and cos C. So for I continue. So this here given ABC is a right angle triangle. So I draw here a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Okay, and suppose this is A, ABC. It is given B is what? Right angle. So you put here 90 degree. So and AB is given 24 centimeter. BC is given 7 centimeter. Now how we find this side? So this is also important. So here right angle triangle. So we know one theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem? That is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. By applying this theorem, we have to find this side first. Okay. So given, you write what are given. Given that what AB is equal to what? 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what you get? That is hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is AC. So here you will get AC square. AC is equal to AC square. Then base will be AB square plus and BC, that is perpendicular square. So AC is given or not? AC is not given. So AC square. What is the value of AB? AB is 24 square plus BC is 7 square. Okay. So finally you will get AC whole square, and here 24 square means 576, and here you will get 49. So finally you will get AC square equal to what? What is the result? That is 625. Okay. So now you have to find what? AC. That is AC equal to what? Square root of this 625. So square root of 625, what you will get? So AC you will get what? 25 centimeter. Okay. The third side will be what? AC. That is AC equal to 25 centimeter. So now we get here what? All the sides. So according to the trigonometric ratio, you have to find first sine A. That is, you have to consider angle A. Okay. For finding sine A. Okay. What is the A? That is sine A. You have to find sine A. So what is sine A? That is the according to the trigonometric ratio, sine A is what? Perpendicular. Here your perpendicular will be this. So perpendicular here what? Perpendicular by what? Hypotenuse. So what is your perpendicular here? Perpendicular your here what? 7. And what is your hypotenuse? This is 25. So sine A equal to what you get? 7 by 25. Similarly cos A. What is the value of cos A? So cos A is equal to what? We know cos A, when A is the angle. So cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. Here your base is what? Base by hypotenuse. B by S. So your base is what here? 24. And hypotenuse is 25. This is for sine A. Okay? Clear? You have to remember what is the actual formula for sine. That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now you have to relate with this right angle triangle. What is your base? What is your perpendicular? If you know, then just you put the value. Okay. So next. Okay. So next our question 2 number is what given? 2 number you have to find side C. What is the value of side C? Now you have to consider what? You have to take what? This angle. Okay. If you take this is C, so you have to find, you have to take this is what? Base, and this is what? Perpendicular. We know sine is what? Sine is what? Perpendicular by base. Now what is your perpendicular? Your perpendicular is AB. That is perpendicular by X. Perpendicular value is here 24, and here will be here 25 centimeter. Next, cos C. Cos C means, so your base is this, base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So your base is what? 7 by 25. Okay. When you have to find A, then your base will be this. When you have to find C, your base will be this, because adjacent side is always base. Okay, so this is the required solution. Okay, understood? Okay, so next class I'll come in another question, a very interesting question. So if you like this video, and you can share it, and you can subscribe my channel. Okay, if any doubt, you can comment in my inbox. Thank you. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Okay, namaskar.